Hi guys!
This is my Mima.
And this is Arella. Kinakalikot mo na naman yung hair ko. Ang sakit eh. Yeah, for today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Ouchie, be careful. Can you give me 10 different emotions?
Sadness.
Oops.
Sadness, nostalgia, joy,
Ay.
anger, fear.
Wait lang. Sadness. Can you show me the face?
Nostalgia.
What's nostalgia?
Happy tears. Happy tears.
Ganun yun? Hindi ko alam yun ha. Next.
Fear.
Fear, yes, I know that.
Joy. Yay.
Joy.
Anger.
Joy,
Hmm.
yes.
Anger.
Anger. 5. Okay.
6. Anxiety.
Excite. Okay.
Anxiety. Anxiety.
Excited. Parang ganon.
Anxiety.
Ano yun, Rala?
Kasi, di ba, parang sa Inside Out 2, may tao. Parang may emotions sa brain natin lumalakad. Kaya nga pangalan.
Anxiety.
Anxiety. Yung nakikilig yung katawan, tas nagngiti.
Ay, meron ba nun? O sige, I'll try to search for that. Or what else? 7.
Embarrassment.
Embarrassment. Okay, very good. What's embarrassment ba?
Shy.
When you feel embarrassed, if you did something wrong or a mistake, you feel embarrassed. Yes, very good. Not shy. Shy is different. So, 8, shy. Yun, shy. 8 or 9.
Envy. Like, too happy.
Envy, yes. Right. Okay, what else? Last one. Yung isa, question mark. Hindi ko siya maintindihan. I-google ko pa later. What's next? Last one na lang.
Disgust.
Disgusting. Okay. Disgust. Okay. Wow, very good naman. Nakapagsabi siya ng 10 emotions. Good job, Arella. Pero yung number 6,
Si nostalgia.
hindi, yung number 6, yung excite. Yun, hindi ko siya mag-gets eh. Google ko pa siya. Baka naman, invento ka lang. Baka naman exciting yun. Exciting. Hindi ba yun exciting? Is that different? Exciting is different?
Excite. That's different.
Excite siya. We will...
Excite is like, you're not yet excited. It's the past na.
Or, you're not excited. Or, baka it's the opposite of the excited.
Yeah. Like, excited. Diba? Like, pagkikilig ka at tas you see your favorite fan. Like,
Your favorite idol.
like this.
Ganun.
I'm shaking a lot.
Search nyo nga yan, mga
Anxiety.
lods.
This is anxiety.
Exciting. Yeah, exciting.
No,
You're
you're not
excited.
moving your body like this. You're not moving like this. You're moving your teeth too.
Okay. Sige, search natin yan. Hindi ko mag-gets yan ha. Sorry. Slow lang si Mima. Okay, thank you for answering my question and thank you for watching. Good job, Sarella. She named 10 emotions. Bye. God bless.